MSA is very progressive and evolves. They're a multifaceted engineering and architecture firm with 16 offices. We were trying to get a proof of concept going and making sure everything would work the way we wanted to just about the time that COVID hit. We had some employees that their home internet, because they didn't really need any better internet, they used their cell phones. And once we needed people to work from home, we've got some machines set up. We purchased the Panzera, put it up in IronOrbit's cloud.
And I was one of the first users to go on. And the transition worked really well. They got my software on there and I was up and running pretty quickly. And there was no longer the lag in the mouse. And that was the biggest change. So I was able to work at home with very slow internet speed. It was pretty amazing.
We've had very good luck with Revit. We've had very good luck with Civil 3D. There isn't much that we throw at IronOrbit that they haven't already figured out or they can't figure out. We've had just awesome success with the stuff we put out there.
I think it's been a game changer for me. Without it, I wouldn't probably be working from home. There has been a few times I've gone into the office, and even then I still launch up IronOrbit and work from that desktop rather than the being on my local computer. I'm just used to the setup. It runs the software very smoothly and efficiently. It's reliable. It's been really good.
IronOrbit has been invaluable to MSA by keeping our employees able to work in situations where they would not be able to work due to internet issues and, for the most part, saving their jobs.